Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to another kitchen adventure here in Jules Flavor Bliss. And in this episode, we'll be making the famous Filipino classic dessert, the sansrival. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the easy way of making sansrival. And here are the ingredients. Part 1. And this is Bug, my pretty kitchen mate. Let's make sure she is spick and span, free from any dirt and grease, the enemy of egg whites. And this is another way of testing when our egg whites are done, when it's no longer sliding from the bowl. Mix it gently using the folding method just to prevent the egg whites from deflating. We'll combine nuts and cornstarch. And cornstarch will play an important part to our wafer. It will keep the moisture away. And for sure, we'll have a crisp and crunchy wafer. By putting a little oil on our parchment paper, this will prevent our wafer from sticking on it. And this is part 2 of our ingredients. We'll be making the buttercream frosting. And by adding a little amount of cream of tartar, this will prevent the sugar from crystallizing. The hot caramelized sugar will cook the egg yolks. Just make sure egg yolks are at room temperature before adding the softened butter. Just continue mixing until the buttercream becomes so fluffy. And this is the part 3 of our ingredients. And this is the twist. We'll be incorporating chantilly cream or frosting to our sansrival to make it creamier and add freshness to the palate. Tcharan! Who can resist this beauty? The classic sansrival with added freshness. If you want it crunchier, put it inside the freezer. Or chewy, just pop it in the fridge. And at this point, I'd like to make a shout out to Rogin Macalalad of Rome, Italy. And actually, she is the one who requested this cake. I hope you had enjoyed it. Until next Wednesday, and if you like more easy but flavorful style of cooking, please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Please stay safe and stay well. God bless. Bye.